So hi Kshama, good to have you talking
Hi.
over out here.
Hi.
Kehems has been one of the very old brands, renowned brands in this field in India, and HVAC&R has a very good strong legacy behind it. Now you're taking it further ahead. Just want to know a little bit more about Kehems, how it came into the industry and what's the journey been like since coming in, kind of the products that you're offering today as a whole spectrum.
Yes. So Kehems was a company started by my father, Mr. Deepak Khemkar, way back in 1986. So the whole vision behind bringing Kehems was how to conserve the energy of the country in general. So he started as a energy auditor and went into streaming where he could conserve energy. First he entered into a partnership with a French company called Entropy, where we did huge desalination projects in the coastal areas of Gujarat, Tata Chemicals Mithapur, Saurashtra Chemicals Mithapur. During the same time, he also ventured into a partnership with a company called Christopia Energy Systems, where he brought thermal storage to the country. So we were the first to bring thermal energy storage systems to the country. However, we all know that to charge thermal storage we need a chiller. During that time, with the God's grace, Christopia Energy Systems was taken over by a company called SEAT, and that was the time we ventured with SEAT as 50-50 partners and brought screw chillers and heat pumps to the country. Now unfortunately we had to end this partnership because SEAT president in 2008 passed away and SEAT company was sold off, and that was the time we actually bought back our shares and rebranded the entire range of Kehems into Kehems Technologies. So we manufacture chillers from the range of 30 ton to 650 ton, both in air cooled and water cooled. We also manufacture water cooled low temperature chillers from the range of -5 to -40 in Freon refrigerant, and we manufacture heat pumps from the range of 100 ton to 2000 100 kilowatts to 2000 kilowatts in water to water range, and air to water range we manufacture heat pumps from the range of 4.1 kilowatt to 300 kilowatts. So this is the entire range of Kehems in general. We are offering to any application where comfort cooling, industrial cooling, comfort heating and industrial heating is required, coupled with thermal storage system, because thermal storage is a solution which is designed as per the requirement of the client.
So such a vast range of products, you're covering both the air conditioning segment as well as the refrigeration segment.
Yes.
Was refrigeration right there from the long time, or was it a recent addition to your portfolio?
No, refrigerant system was actually added to our portfolio in 2012. That was the time we visioned that this part of the industry is growing and we should contribute with Freon to this part of the industry, where actually we started off supplying a lot of chillers to pharmaceutical belt. So when you talk about pharmaceutical industry, all the major names like Cipla, Zydus, Cadila, ACG are on the client list of Kehems. With the expansion from pharmaceutical industry, we always had a vision how to convert dairy industry into this type of a segment, because that is kind of a ammonia based industry.
Right.
So we kept on hammering them through via our heat pumps, because we also understood that dairy industry requires a lot of hot water for washing of their vessels, and while pitching for our heat pumps, we also got opportunity to serve them with our refrigeration system of -10, -20 application, where they were very comfortable to work with a Freon refrigerant based system.
And do you have a plan internally as a company in your strategy making that low temperature applications or refrigeration cold chain applications, that segment is going to be growing much faster?
Yes.
Both for you as well as an industry?
Yes. I think for Kehems, this part of our product portfolio has grown over a period of 5 to 7 years. I see the turnover shifting at least 50% to this kind of a portfolio, majorly because all the industries are getting aware about this negative application chillers. Thanks to REFCOLD, this platform gives us a leverage to brand our chillers in a proper way. And also in general, I have seen, sir, that the industry has expanded, because I don't know whether I should say thank you COVID or not, but after COVID, pharmaceutical industries have mushroomed over the country in a very vast way. We have not even seen the big names growing, but we have seen small names entering these industries who have a requirement of say -5, -10, -15 application, where they have seen Kehems chillers already installed in their neighborhood. So that kind of a requirement also grew for Kehems in general.
You talked about REFCOLD just now and your participation in REFCOLD and the benefits out of it. You believe you're participating in REFCOLD Calcutta, which is on 3rd to 5th of October, coming up right next door.
Yes.
What can we expect? What can the industry expect? What can the customers expect to see at the stall of Kehems? The product, technologies, solutions. What can they expect to be seeing over there?
So as REFCOLD says, we are exhibiting our low temperature chiller, which runs up to -10 application. However, I want to just make it more visible to the market that we are producing chillers till -40. So that is a range which we are carrying to the exhibition. Along with chillers, our heat pumps are also very popular. So we are carrying heat pump to air to water heat pump to the exhibition. We in REFCOLD have also participated in the award. So there, as a clause, we also had an opportunity of exhibiting the chiller which has been nominated for the award. And this is a chiller where we have installed a scroll chiller in a mushroom cold storage application. Has been working for about 10 years now, very successfully, and the clients have been very happy. So particularly these 3 products we are exhibiting and hoping to get a very good response from REFCOLD.
So you've talked about the dairy sector, which is an important sector for your product ranges. You talked about pharma sector again, which is a very, very important sector. You touched about the mushroom sector. Knowing the Eastern India market and the kind of applications out there for your products, which are the other segments you would be keen to have people come at the show?
I see that in East India, fish is very important, and any freezing of fish or shrimp requires a low temperature chiller. In your part of the country, this industry is growing and has always has a vision of growing to a different level. So I actually wish that such clients drop into REFCOLD and look at our machines, see the exhibition, and give us another opportunity to at least put our machines in such applications.
So your machines are all Freon based.
Yes.
A lot of industries talking about natural refrigerants, whether it's ammonia, CO2, etc. What distinguishes you, and do you have big competition going your way because you're making end products, you're not making components, you're making end products.
Yes.
So where do you stand vis-a-vis natural refrigerants or vis-a-vis other competitive makes, whether from India or from outside?
So in natural refrigerant based systems, we have normally observed that the challenges now are growing. Although we talk about decarbonization a lot these days, and it is bringing a lot of impact to our industry, but ammonia based or natural refrigerant based systems are a little bit of hiccup somewhere or the other. In those cases, people are looking at options of refrigerant based systems, and hence the platform is offered to machines like us. When we talk about any machines coming from out of the country, we have seen the costing of those machines vis-a-vis costing of Make in India is a huge impact. There we get a leverage, and the preferred make is always Make in India today. So there we have seen the Kehems machines growing only because people do not want to bring anything from outside today in the country.
Finally, I'd like to ask you, since an exhibition is a two-way business, means
Yes.
the exhibition organizers also do their best to get people out there. I'm pretty much sure that as KMs, you also reaching out to
Yes.
your potential customers
Yes.
and the entire industry in east and other parts of
Yes.
the country.
Yes.
What has been the response by people towards REFCOLD as pure visitors, as pure customers?
People have been extremely excited about having such an exhibition in Kolkata, basically because we have not seen Kolkata having an exhibition of this scale. So when you talk about East, you're actually covering the entire northeast belt along with Bangladesh, and also some parts, if I can put, of Nepal, Bhutan as well, because these people get attracted to this type of exhibition and would like to witness. I have actually also contacted some of our people from Bihar and neighboring states, and they were equally excited about attending an exhibition in Kolkata.
Like Orissa would be is a very,
Yes.
very big belt for
Yes,
the entire
yes.
thing. Okay.
So I personally think that this time on we would expect some different customers to come and visit us. The customers who have not maybe traveled to states like Karnataka or Maharashtra up north. But yes, this opportunity is a big opportunity for them as well to experience the level of exhibitions we do.
No, I'm pretty much sure that both you as an exhibitor and all the people who come in there to see your technologies and product solutions, it's
Yes.
going to be an exciting 3 days.
Absolutely.
And look
Yes.
forward to your participation at the
Thank you
exhibition.
so much. Thank you so much for having Kehems in REFCOLD.
Absolutely, our pleasure, Kshama.